Hubbell TayMac, the industry leader in weatherproof device covers, also offers a complete line of conduit bodies, UL and CSA certified.
Conduit bodies are used to connect conduit while allowing easy access to the raceway for various purposes, such as pulling conductors, changing the direction of a run, and through-wall penetrations. The removable cover allows easy access to the conductors for maintenance or making taps and splices. For making wiring connections within the body, the volume is conveniently marked on the inside. The maximum size and number of conductors are also noted. Configurations include LB, LR, LL, C, and T in every trade size from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. The bodies are available in 3 types: rigid for connecting to threaded rigid and IMC or conduit fittings, EMT for threadless electrical metallic tubing, sometimes called thin wall, and combination bodies that include both threaded hubs for use with rigid conduit and set screws for EMT conduit. All conduit bodies are constructed of a durable die-cast aluminum with a premium powder coat finish. Bodies can be purchased as complete assemblies, including a weather-resistant rubber gasket and a stamped aluminum cover, or as individual components. The rigid line also includes service entrance elbows in each size from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. Of course, these and any of the other rigid bodies are suitable for outdoor use. The combo bodies are also weatherproof when used with threaded conduit or an appropriate fitting.
So next time, ask for TayMac conduit bodies, a convenient, reliable solution for your next job.